Looking for a dirt bike that combines raw power with precision handling? The 2026 Suzuki RM-Z 1050 might just be your new best friend. Welcome to Next Gen Reviews, where today we're digging into why this bike is turning heads and raising expectations in the off-road world. Design. Starting with design, Suzuki has given the RM-Z 1050 a sleek, aggressive makeover. The sharp lines and minimalist plastics keep it lightweight and nimble, while the updated frame improves balance and control. It's built for riders who want to push limits but still need a bike that looks the part on and off the track. Performance. Underneath, the heart of the RM-Z 1050 is a powerful 1050 cubic centimeters V-twin engine that delivers strong, smooth torque across the rev range. It's responsive when you need it and forgiving when you're learning the ropes. The suspension is fully adjustable, ready to soak up the roughest trails or smooth out tight corners. Whether you're ripping through mud or blasting across open dirt, this bike handles it all with confidence. Features and technology. Suzuki hasn't held back on tech either. The RM-Z 1050 comes with ride-by-wire throttle, multiple riding modes, and advanced traction control that adapts to changing terrain. The lightweight chassis and improved ergonomics make longer rides more comfortable, while a digital display keeps all your info clear and easy to read. Conclusion. The 2026 Suzuki RM-Z 1050 blends power, precision, and tech into a versatile off-road package that appeals to both beginners and seasoned riders. It's a bike designed to keep you ahead of the pack. What do you think? Is the RM-Z 1050 your next ride? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more honest takes, right here on Next Gen Reviews. Ride safe and keep the adventure alive.